Medications aren't always the first line of defense. Now, Big Pharma won't like this, but here's what they won't tell you. Pills are not always the answer. High blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and even fatty liver can often be reversed without medication if you address the root causes, like poor eating habits, inactivity, and other poor lifestyle habits. I've seen this work time after time, even with my clients. Some have been on medications for years, seen no difference. Then they come on my programs and then bam, thank God, their blood sugar, their blood pressure normalizes, even after years of being on drugs. Relying solely on drugs is like putting a bandage on a bullet wound. It doesn't always work. Now, let me show you how to make an easy and simple lifestyle changes that are not only cheaper, but sustainable. Okay? Send me a DM now and let's watch your life transform before your eyes. Send me a DM now.